it's Megan with WTI, and I have really tried and really wanted to love a sleep mask for a while now, but I have never been able to find the one until I tried this Manta sleep mask. It has these really cushiony eye cups, which I noticed made a huge difference. For one thing, these eye cups don't leave any gaps around my eyes at all, so it gives no space for light to enter. When I'm wearing it, I can still blink my eyes like normal. That ability to do that makes this mask feel so much more natural and comfortable for me to wear. The eye cups are attached by means of Velcro, and they can easily be removed and replaced with just the right spacing for your eyes. The strap also has this long section that you can attach the Velcro side to, and you can attach it to whatever spot you need so that you have that perfect snug fit around your head. I found all the material that's touching my face is really soft, and it makes this mask super comfortable for me to wear. It is great for wearing in the morning when I need a little bit of extra shut-eye. It doesn't matter if it's full daylight outside, I don't need to close the curtains, I just put this mask on and it is completely lights out. In fact, my husband tried this mask on because he was a little bit doubtful about how much this mask could filter light out. He put it on and I flicked the lights on and off really quickly, and I left the lights on. I asked him to guess if the lights were on or off, and he guessed that they were off. I could literally go on and on about how impressed I've been by this mask, but maybe you should give it a try for yourself. And that's my point of view.